This is going to be a very quick video on how to replace the door seal on your fireplace. On my fireplace, the door is removable, so that makes the entire process a lot easier. The first step is to clean up the passageway for the new door seal. You just need to use a toothbrush, and I recommend you use some soap and water. That also works. Get it all cleaned up and dried, and then have it ready for the next step. Next, your kit that you bought should come with a door seal and some glue. You just take the glue, you're just going to spread it on the surface and let it dry for a few minutes until it's kind of tacky. Once it gets to that stage, you're just going to put on the new door seal, starting from one side and pulling it and making sure you do it properly, tight and snugly. And when you get to the end, you just have a little bit of extra, you cut it off, and you're done basically. You just let that sit for a little bit and then put it on your fireplace and you're good to go pretty much. Very simple how to replace your door seal.